Okay, Wolf Children and Lukey, and I think also Drew. This is our friend Walkus, who was our guide for this fabulous trip to Havana, and he has a little 6-year-old daughter. Is that right?
Yeah,
Is that your only child?
yeah.
Okay.
As far as I know.
Oh, okay, okay. And so he has a message to the children in our family. We wanted you to hear directly from our friend here in Cuba.
So, as you said again, my name is Walkis. I have been your tour guide. I have a princess of 6-year-old. Uh, her name is Maria Laura. She's studying in first grade now. She also now she's learning how to write, how to read. Also now she's learning how to speak in English, at least the first words, counting the alphabet. Also, she's learning how to sing in English. So, a message for you: you have to be like good people, nice kids. Always respect your parents, love your family, learn about everything, not only about your country, but you should learn about the whole world. And the most important thing that I'm always telling to my little daughter Maria Laura: be nice, people. You can have whatever you can have, but always be nice with the rest of the people. Kid for you.
Aww.